If your Honda CR-V is making a strange buzzing or static sound through the speakers when you plug in your phone, you're not alone. Data shows that nearly 85% of automotive USB interference issues are actually caused by low-quality charging cables rather than the port itself. Let's walk through the steps to isolate the noise and find the permanent solution. Start by swapping in a high-quality shielded cable and cleaning the port with compressed air to remove any conductive debris. The noise is usually either a ground loop, an alternator whine, or physical damage to the internal pins of the port. If the pitch of the noise increases when you hit the gas, you are likely dealing with a ground loop issue. If the noise happens with every cable you try, the USB module behind the dash may need a replacement. Fortunately, most fixes are under $20, but a full OEM module replacement can cost over $100. Try a hard reset of your infotainment system by holding the power button to clear any software-driven audio glitches. Keep a soft brush and a certified cable handy to prevent these interference issues from returning. Remember to always rule out the cable before you start taking your dashboard apart. If this tip helped clear up your audio, hit that subscribe button for more Honda maintenance guides.